everyone, today is the day that I finally got my Electric Forest wristband. Oh my god, no. No! Okay, so I knew it was coming today and I've been nervous because so many people got theirs like weeks ago and I've been wondering why mine isn't coming. I have 4 in the Forest this year, so when you get 4 in the Forest you get some extra stuff in your bag. So I've kind of been thinking like anybody with 4 in the Forest is getting delayed. None of my friends that have 4 in the Forest have gotten their wristbands. I finally saw online on Reddit like a week ago, people have been getting their Forest packet without their wristband in it. And no, it's not a mistake. They must have ran out of supplies. I don't know what the deal is. So I have a feeling I don't have my wristband in here. It also says in the email that everything that you need for Forest might not be coming in one package. And I was so excited. I just felt it for the first time after I got ready to film. Like I got home from work like 2 hours ago and somehow I've not touched this at all. And there's no bumps in it. Oh wait, there's a bump right there. Oh, okay. There's something in here. I don't think it's the wristband. Let's open the package. Oh, this is so nerve-wracking. Moment of truth. I mean, I already know what the wristband looks like. I couldn't help my friends in my group chat were texting about it, but still. When you get it, you open it up. You get this bag. You also get this little card. Oh my god, it's hard to see with the ring light behind the camera. I'm like blind. It just tells you about wristband, registration. Make sure to register your wristband because that's how you get loyalty. If I didn't register 1 year, I wouldn't have 4 in the Forest this year, so make sure you do that. Okay, then there's a little bit about being more sustainable in the forest. It says pack with a purpose. Use a reusable water bottle, cup, plate, and utensils. Biodegradable soap. That's something I should look into. I have not been conscious about the soap at least. Try to take a shuttle or carpool or even biking if you live close by. Fun fact, I met someone that had like a really cool wristband on 1 year. Not really cool, it was the same, it was just a different color. So I was like, oh, what's your wristband for? And the neighbors all get free wristbands, which I thought was really cool for us to help accommodate them with like the influx of people that they're not used to. And like she was so nice. I'm so excited to be there. She got a free freaking wristband. Like yeah, she's excited to go. Recycle and donate when you're done leaving the campsite. There's a recycling truck pickup. Don't trash your campsite when you leave. So many people just ditch everything there. Try to be mindful that someone has to go back and clean it up. Okay, so it says, Electric Forest, what if we take a break and stop looking down to read the latest stressful headlines? What if we deny the anxiety of our times, lift our heads, and claim our own stories? Yes, the Forest offers an escape, joy, and unforgettable adventures. We all deserve more of that. Dig a little deeper and we're all reminded of the immense value of sharing these experiences together. Our story is discovered in the present. So let's put on that wristband, raise our eyes, and mount up. Let's attack these coming days with ferocious kindness. Let's see how far we can go together. Because these days matter tremendously. The Forest welcomes you to the 9th chapter of Electric Forest. That's so weird to think about. This is my 5th year, and that now I've been to over half the Electric Forest that have ever existed. Before Electric Forest, there was a festival there that was more jam band based that was called Rothberry Festival, and it just kind of evolved into Forest. I guess not like completely half, but technically half if there's been 9 of these. And that's just such a cute message. Like this is why Forest is what it is. It just is like all about good vibes and living in the moment. Like it's truly unlike any other festival, and I was so spoiled because the Forest was my first camping festival anyway, and I'd only been to one other festival before, so I thought all festivals would be like this, and they're really not. Like Forest is so special. I had no idea. I'm just so happy that that's the festival I chose to go to when I decided to go to one, and I didn't realize what I was getting myself into. I didn't realize it was all gonna go down from there. Okay, so this is the bag. This one's cute. I've definitely had bags I like better before, but it is always cool, and these pouches are so fun and handy to keep. I wonder where all of mine are, honestly. I've definitely saved them all, but I use one of these to hold like all my wristbands and bracelets and stuff. Like these pouches are just like so convenient. So the first thing I'm gonna take out is the sticker. So there's a contest design for the sticker. It's so cute. I voted for one. I don't know if this is the one I voted for, but this one's sick. Electric Forest radio sticker. This is the first time we've gotten 2 stickers, that's for sure. So what else is in here? Oh, the wristbands in here! I'm so excited. So, oh my god, it's so cute. They actually have nicer ones this year. These are like my favorite wristbands. I hate the ones that are straight up just printed, and then the other side is white. Like, I like it when the wristbands are more high quality and like everything is stitched in, and you can tell that this one's like that. It's like a geometric design, and it's like orangey, yellowy. The reason I say that they're nicer is because instead of having just a magnet attached that you can cut off afterward, the thing that scans you in is already attached right there. There's a little purple accent on it. I need to like look back, but I'm pretty sure we've already had this color before. So when I first saw the colors, I was kind of disappointed, and then I thought I was gonna get a different color because I was 4 in the forest, and that was not the case either, but I'm still very excited. Okay, there's one more thing left in here, and it is my pin. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is the first time I've gotten a pin. The pin is your ticket to any perks you have when you have 4 in the forest. Oh my god, it's actually so freaking cute. I'm not like a big pin person, but I'm really excited about this. I need to go back and look again at everything, like all the perks I get, but the biggest perk in my opinion is I get to skip the line and get an expedited entry, so it's kind of like getting a free upgrade VIP in a certain sense as a rewards program for going so many times. You can get 4 in the forest if you've been to Electric Forest any 4 years. It doesn't have to be all right in the row. At the other loyalty programs, like if I had only been 3 times and I didn't go last year, I wouldn't be able to use a loyalty code at all, I believe. And then once you hit 4 in the forest or anything beyond that, like 6 in the forest, they just started, it doesn't matter if you went last year or the year before you, I'll have 4 in the forest at least for the rest of my life. And if I go next year after that, I'll get 6 in the forest no matter what. And it's nice because you get a discount. So every year the forest ticket prices go up, so it's actually every year the Electric Forest ticket prices go up. So this year my total was $309, which I actually think is exactly what I paid my first year, but I'm just gonna look it up on my computer real quick and tell you for sure. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through the prices I've had, and then for a fun little throwback, I'm gonna show each wristband I've had every year. Sorry, I'm just looking at my laptop. So the first year I paid $306 and I had no discount. You can barely see this one. I kept this bracelet on for like literally years, like probably 2 or 3 years, and I cut the back end off and tied it in a knot so you can barely see this thing. Yeah, this is the first one. I don't even know if you can see it. It was maroon with like gold. So that was in 2015. In 2016, my second year, I paid $320. This one was probably one of my favorites. It's like neon green, blue writing. So that one's pretty dirty too because I kept that one on. I didn't cut that one though. I'm really mad at myself for cutting the first one, but whatever. It was the only way I was gonna keep it on for that long. In 2017, I paid $322. For this year and the year before in 2016, I had a discount code as well, just from going the year before. It must have been like 10 or 20 bucks. So this one was the one I was thinking about. Orange and purple. I went weekend 1 this year. This is the first year they did 2 weekends. This one's more of like a paisley design. I'm not gonna lie, Forest always has the best wristbands in my opinion. So these are them compared. Keep in mind this one's dirty, but they are pretty freaking similar. The new one is a little bit lighter. Like I said, these are these old magnet things that I was talking about. That's the difference between the magnets. This one's definitely nicer. Finally, in 2018, I paid $334. This one's actually really pretty too. This one was purple and light blue. This one's definitely the best shape because I took this shit off right when I got home. I was finally over wearing my wristbands at this point. Wait, this one's so freaking pretty. These two are definitely my favorite. Look how nice it is with the sparkly, oh my god, how beauty guru of me. The sparkly tip. Also, excuse that nasty cut on my hand. I fell over skateboarding the other day. The prices went up every single year. Even between my year 1 and 2 and year 1, I had paid completely full price. And now I am down to $309. So I think my friends probably paid around $350. I think I saved 60 bucks actually. That's a pretty good discount. Like now I'm just kind of back where I started, which I'm not mad about. I don't know how to shut up. Obviously, I made this video that should have been 2 seconds into a very long video. I'm so excited. I'm ready to be back in the forest. I'm starting to think about everything I'm so excited to do again. There's so many things that I say I'm gonna do every year. Like I still have never seen him set up the observatory. I always say I'm gonna hang out in the forest more and see less music and just enjoy like relaxing, and I never do it. Don't get me wrong, I've done new and exciting things every year, but I keep saying I'm gonna spend more time in the forest and I keep not doing it. So I'm excited. I believe in myself. I think I'm gonna do it this year. I'm so excited for the schedule to come out. That should be coming soon, and I will upload a video about my schedule, sets you can't miss in my opinion and all that. Keep an eye out for those. I'm gonna be trying to pump out as much forest content as I can leading up to the festival. I'm gonna have so much after, and I'm also going to freestyle sessions. So excited, my first time in Denver. So if you want to see all that base nectar content, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.